You've chosen the answer D, that the water does not accelerate. Now, based on the problem statement that it flows steadily, you would assume that that means steady state, and therefore we do not have any changes in our velocity. However, there's two different types of changes we could have. We could have what's known as a local change in our velocity, or a local acceleration, and that's going to be based on our time rate of change of our velocity. So if it's flowing steadily, we don't have a time rate of change, and the velocity in regions A, B, and C will be the same regardless at time equals 5 seconds or time equals 10 hours. However, the other term that we would want to consider is whether or not the velocity is changing with respect to position. So if you're looking at this conduit, we would expect that the velocity is not going to be constant, since we don't have a constant cross-sectional area. And if we do have changes in velocity, then we would have changes in velocity with respect to position, and therefore what's known as a convective acceleration. So try to examine where we would have the highest convective acceleration and choose another answer.